Hi guys, Gavin Allenson, and we're here in the labs at Oxford University. I've got Nick Norwitz, and
Right.
Nick studied initially at Harvard, and he's over here in Oxford in metabolism labs here, doing a PhD in ketone research. And what we just wanted to chat about today was ketones as a source of fuel, particularly for the brain. Can you just give us the basics of how ketones differ to glucose as a fuel for the brain and some of the benefits there?
Absolutely. But before I do that, I just want to kind of frame the picture with an evolutionary perspective.
Okay.
To point out that the reason we make ketones in the first place is to fuel our brain. So when we were evolving, glucose wasn't around really in the diet much, or at least there'd be a lot of periods when you only have, say, meat.
Yeah.
And or no food and you're fasting.
Yeah.
And so your body then, because your brain is so energetically demanding, it weighs 2 pounds but consumes over 500 calories a day, and it can't use fat.
Mm-hmm.
So your body had
Why can't it use fat? Because that can't access.
it can't really get your brain. The different cells can use different fuel sources, and your brain doesn't have the ability to use fat directly.
Okay.
At least in raw and stuff. And so what would have to happen is your body can do something called gluconeogenesis, which is a big word, but it basically means turning your lean tissue, like your muscle, including your heart muscle, into glucose.
Okay.
And so if your brain did this, what would happen very quickly is during a fast, you would lose all your muscle, your heart would stop pumping, your diaphragm would stop working, and you'd die very quickly, which is not what you want.
Yeah.
So the body evolved this really clever way to turn your body fat into a fuel that the brain can use, and that's ketones. That's why we evolved ketones, to generate a brain fuel, and that's why we survived our evolution. So it evolved this optimal fuel for the brain, which is even better than what is kind of found in nature for the brain. And in terms of why it's optimal, which was kind of your question, I want to kind of break it down into two aspects. So it's a more efficient fuel for the brain, provides more energy, and it's a cleaner fuel for the brain.